Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lucy Nusyara Ramadhani with student ID number 63251144 from class 63 2B 310. Here I will explain about hardware, software, and operating system to fulfill the mainstream exam assessment of English 2 course. In this presentation, I will explain the definition, function, and example of hardware, software, and the operating system. Hardware, software, and the operating system are important parts of a computer system. The three work together so that the computer can run. We all help users perform various activities more easily. Today, computer and digital technology are used in many fields such as education, communication, business, and entertainment. Therefore, understanding this component is very important in studying technology. Hardware is the physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. Hardware is used to support all computer activities and help users interact with the computer system. Without hardware, the computer cannot run properly because all computer operations require physical device. Some examples of hardware are the keyboard, monitor, mouse, CPU, and the printer. For example, the keyboard is used to type data, the mouse is used to control the cursor, and the monitor is used to display information on the screen. Types of hardware. There are several types of hardware based on the function. 1. Input device are used to enter data into the computer. Example include keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. 2. Output device are used to display information from the computer. Example include monitor, printer, and speaker. 3. Storage device are used to store data and files. Example include hard disk, flash drive, and memory card. And the last type is processing device, such as the CPU, which are used to process data and control computer activities. Hardware function. Hardware has many important functions in a computer system. One of the main functions of hardware is to input data into the computer. For example, using keyboard or mouse. Hardware is also used to process information to devices as the CPU. In addition, hardware helps display result or output to the user through monitors, printer, or speakers. Hardware is also used to store data and files using storage devices as hard disks or SSDs. Without hardware, a computer cannot perform its function properly because every computer activity requires physical device. Next, software. What is software? Software is a program or application used to operate computer. Unlike hardware, software can be physically touched because it is the digital. Software gives interaction to the computer so that user can carry out various activities more easily and efficiently. Without software, hardware cannot work properly because a computer needs a program to execute command. So example of software are Microsoft Word used for typing document, Google Chrome for browsing the internet, and Adobe Photoshop for editing photo and image. Next, type of software. There are several types of software based in their function. First, system software is software used to manage and control hardware as well as the basic operation of a computer. This software helps the computer run properly. Second, application software is software designed to help user perform specific tasks such as typing document, editing photo, or browsing the internet. 3. Utility software is software used to maintain and project the computer system. Example of utility software are antivirus and disk cleanup. Next, operating system. What is a operating system? An operating system, or OS, is the main software that manages all activities in a computer system. The operating system connects a user with hardware and software so that the computer can function properly. With an operating system, a computer cannot run application or execute commands correctly. The operating system also helps user control and manage computer recharge more easily and efficiently. Therefore, every computer and smartphone needs an operating system. Next, the function of the operating system. The operating system has many important functions in a computer system. One of its functions is to manage the hardware connected to the computer, such as the keyboard, monitor, and printer. The operating system also runs applications so that user can program properly. In addition, the operating system manages files and memory, control computer process, and provides an interface display to make the computer easier to use. Because of the function, their operating system is very important for computer performance. Next, example of operating system. Currently, there are many operating systems used on computer and smartphone. Some examples of operating system for computer are Windows, Linux, and MacOS. Meanwhile, Android and iOS are operating systems commonly used to our smartphone. Each operating system has different features and advantages. For example, Windows is popular because it is easy to use and supports many applications. Operating system help device run smoothly and make it easier for our user to operate both computer and smartphone. Next, hardware and software. Hardware and software are different, but both work together in a computer system. Hardware is the physical part of a computer that can be sent and touched digitally. while software is a digital program that cannot be physical touched. For example, a keyboard is hardware, while Microsoft Word is software. Hardware is used to support computer operation, while software gives instruction to the hardware. Without software, hardware cannot function properly, and without hardware, software also cannot run. Therefore, both are very important in a computer system. And then, inclusion. Inclusion, hardware, software, and operating system are important parts of a computer system. Hardware is the physical device of the computer. Software is the program used to run in the computer. And the operating system manages all computer activities. This component works together so that the computer can function properly and help the user activities becomes easier and more efficient. By understanding hardware, software, and operating system, we can better understand how computer and digital technology work in daily life. Thank you for the attention and time given to watch this presentation video. I hope the material I have explained can help friends better understand hardware, software, and operating system. If there are many mistakes in delivering this presentation, I apologize. I also apologize if there are still many words or pronunciation that are wrong because I am still in the learning stage. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you and see you. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.